in a jungle full of green, where the trees stood tall, lived a little panther named Paul. With fur so sleek and eyes so bright, Paul loved to play from morning till night. One day in the jungle, a plan was hatched, a game of hide and seek, perfectly matched. Hey, little friends, let's have some fun in the heart of the jungle under the sun. The monkey, the parrot, and the playful hare gathered around, a curious pair. Let's play together, let's not delay, hide and seek the panther's way. So off they went, in the jungle so wild, each little friend like an adventurous child. Paul closed his eyes, began to count, while the others scattered without a sound. "Ready or not, here I come," Paul declared with a playful hum. He looked high, he looked low, through the jungle, to and fro. He found the monkey up in a tree, giggling and grinning, as happy as can be. "Found you, little monkey, you're not sly, now it's your turn, give it a try." The monkey smiled, full of delight, closed his eyes tight. Oh, what a sight! The parrot squawked, "I'm hiding near, but you won't find me, have no fear." Paul chuckled and said, "We'll see about that," as he searched for the parrot, wearing a hat. Behind the leaves, with colours so bold, the parrot giggled, its secret still untold. "Found you, little parrot, so bright. Your hiding spot was a colourful sight. Now it's the hare's turn, let's not wait. Find a good spot, don't hesitate." The hare bounded away, with leaps and hops, behind the rocks where the jungle drops. Paul tiptoed, careful and sly, searching for the hare. Oh my, but the hare was clever, tucked away in a cosy burrow, safe and at bay. "Found you, little hare, so smart. Now let's play another round, let's restart." They played and laughed, oh what a spree, in the heart of the jungle, so wild and free. Learning to share, take turns and cooperate in the game of hide and seek, a jungle playdate. As the day turned to dusk and the moon shone bright, the little friends gathered, a joyful sight. Paul, the panther, with a grin so wide, said, "Let's do this again, with the evening tide." But as the jungle whispered a lullaby, the little friends yawned with a sleepy sigh. "Good night, little panther, in your cosy den, dream of adventures until we meet again." Paul curled up, his tail so long, as the jungle sang a sleepy song. "Good night, dear Paul, under the moonlight. Rest well, little panther, until it's daylight." And so, in the jungle, where dreams took flight, the little panther dozed off into the night. With the stars twinkling, a soft moonbeam, Paul, the panther, drifted into a sweet dream. In a forest so green, where the trees did sway, lived siblings, 2 otters, ready for play. Otto and Olive, a brother and sister pair, with fur so sleek and a zest for flair. One fine day, as the trees did dance, Otto found a stick with a twirly stance. "Look, Olive, a wand, so magical and bright. Let's have an adventure, oh what a delight." Olive giggled with a skip so sweet. "An adventure with you can't be beat. But where shall we go, with our magic in tow?" Otto winked. "To the meadow, come on, let's go." So off they went, to the meadow so wide, Otto and Olive side by side. With the magical wand in Otto's grip, they tiptoed along with a hop and skip. As they entered the meadow, a bunny hopped by. "Hello, dear otters. Oh, what's the why? With your wand so shiny and eyes so bright, are you on an adventure in the soft daylight?" Otto grinned with a mischievous gleam. "We're on a quest, a magical dream, to find the giggles in the meadow so green, with our wand like a magical sheen." The bunny hopped along with a joyful hum. "Can I join you? It sounds like fun. With your wand and giggles, oh what a treat. in the meadow, where adventures fleet. And so the trio pranced, with laughter in tow, Otto, Olive, and the bunny in the glow. They cast spells of giggles with a flick and sway in the meadow, where the moments play. But wait, what's this? A wise old owl, perched on a branch, with a knowing scowl. Little otters, with your wand so neat, what's your secret? Oh, what's the beat? Otto twirled the wand with a whimsical cheer. We're spreading giggles far and near. Would you like to join in our delight? In the meadow where the giggles ignite. The wise old owl blinked with a hoot so wise. I'm in, let's make the giggles rise. With your wand and the bunny so sweet. In the meadow where joy and giggles meet. And so the quartet continued. With a jolly stride, Otto, Olive, the bunny, and the owl so wide. With the magical wand and laughter so bright, in the meadow where everything felt right. As the day twirled on and the flowers did sway, the siblings and friends continued their play. But then a rustle in the tall grass near, a little fox cub with a playful leer. Hey there, otters, with your magical find, can I join in and leave my worries behind? With your wand and giggles, oh, what a show in the meadow where the joys grow. Otto and Olive welcomed the fox with glee. The more, the merrier, in their magical spree. With the wand and the fox's playful dash, in the meadow where the giggles would flash. But as the sun dipped low in the golden hue, the wise old owl said, it's time to bid adieu to the meadow and the giggles so tight, in the meadow where the stars ignite. The siblings and friends, with hearts so light, waved goodbye in the soft moonlight. Good night, dear meadow, with joy so bright, in the meadow where the dreams take flight. Otto and Olive nestled under the stars so clear, with dreams of giggles and friends so dear. Good night, sweet meadow, sleep so tight, in the meadow where the night is bright. And so, in the quiet of the meadow so fair, the siblings dreamt with a tender air, with dreams of giggles and morning light, a sweet good night until the dawn's first bright.